Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want talk about something when I see again for social media, something will happen now for my beautiful state, Edo State. Something will break my heart, something will leave some family for this pain wey you no fit explain give person. At the same time, I want the same message to our Benin parents. I want send message to our Edo parents, because this thing don dey too happen, e don dey too happen, e don dey too repeat itself, wey we no wan tell ourselves the truth, when we no wan accept the fact, wey we dey feel say na tradition na talk am. I dey always dey talk about tradition, make my people understand say tradition wey people dey talk tradition don spoil many things, because they choose to take the bad things from tradition. E don cause many bloodshed for the land, because people no understand and they misunderstand every word wey they think or anyhow they feel to take translate matter. It's high time we tell ourselves the truth and say enough is enough. It's high time we look our parents in the face and let them know what they are doing to us is not fair, so that this thing will stop for our body. We not will continue the same thing for our children body. And that's, I did really heartbroken, because this thing, if we not speak up, another family will be hurt tomorrow. What I want to talk about, I want to talk about this man wey kill his wife, kill his two kids, the two children along with the wife. What he say happen? He say because the woman accuse am, dey accuse am say she dey get dates, infidelity dey for the marriage. The man get racket or babe for outside. Then the woman come now say if na so, she will go, she wants to start her own since you no wan stop. Then the man say in converse say this one na abomination. Now the man carry gun come out, shoot. The woman still go inside room to avoid the quarrel. The man say because that word na taboo, that word na abomination, no be say she don do am. The man carry gun come out, fire the woman for inside room. This one na his wife. So make I put the video, make una see before I go really talk wetin dey my mind and send this message across to our parents. May they just like see their children through me, may they feel their children pain, may they know say like their female children they suffer for husband house. I will be back.
The police commissioner, Mr. Hakim Olusegun, said the police received a distress call on the 13th of January 2019 that a man allegedly killed his wife and two children in Ovioge community in Ovia Northeast local government area. Mr. Olusegun said the suspect has been arrested and made confessional statement to the incident.
On the excuse that disagreement based on infidelity or infidelity, accusation or counter-accusation. And the judge waiting now, brought out his double-barrel English-made gun, fired into the room where the woman went to lay refuge. Because after the argument, she realized that the man was high. And maybe in order not to attack, she went to the bedroom, to her own bedroom, locked herself in with her three children. Unfortunately, she was on the bed, so playing with two of her two sons, while the other girl, who was just about 5 years old, so was lying on the floor there. So the man just got to his room now, brought up the barrel, and fired through the door, straight, and the bullets met the wife and the two children, the two male children, on the bed, and they died instantly.
On what led to the murder of his wife and two children, the suspect comments.
I had a very severe accident then, so I don't know what come over me. How can I keep my two lovely children? God, where will I start from? She always accused me that I don't come out sometime. You know the nature of my job. It's not all the delivering that we do that we just get the money cash. At times, if I go out to collect money, coming back home, it will be another issue. So that is how she will be saying it. If that is the case, she will be going outside. I say, Kai, what are you saying? This is a taboo. I drive down to their family house and reported the matter to his mother.
The police commissioner, while reacting to the presence of FRSC officials who removed the bodies of the deceased in Ovioke community to the mortuary instead of the police, said FRSC is a sister agency and that they were plainclothes policemen at the scene of the incident to carry out investigation over the incident. He added that FRSC was on the ground to complement the efforts of the police.
We only work in synergy.
My people, when I see the video, the man not show sign of say the thing not be clear eye it take do am. He not show person wey dey shock, person wey no wan do something wey eye really clear, like maybe go dey for psychiatry, maybe go dey for hospital, maybe go dey for coma because he not expect am the shock dey. My boy, he not even pronounce the wife well. He dey like say, oh, with 2 kids, how you want to start again? He still get the belief say he will be free after killing three people in cold blood. After killing 3 people in cold blood, and you hear people they talk like, oh, person wey do this thing to ram, oh, person wey push am. Person wey push am, like seriously, God go punish the person. God go punish the person. Wetin those children do, which sin they commit? Why that God wey wan punish the person wey push this person do this thing, not prevent that thing from happening? Why go don happen, then you come punish person wey do something? You dey look am when they push am, they do am. Like, what is going on? Not be clear eye. He know the pain and say the woman, the wife, person where you marry, you carry him, you shoot him for that is, you know, reason at all. Say na person I born am. As that man they like talk just now say, oh, I want to start again. That thing, I don't know where for go here am. He say he go report to the woman mother, say the daughter say he want start if he no want stop. Before woman, daddy, mommy, uncle, auntie, please don't take my matter don't take this video person. I beg you in the name of God. I just want you to see wetin dey go on for years, where we dey just dey ignore, where we dey feel say na normal, where we dey feel say, oh, may just go on na so that they do and they come. Since people are dying inside. I just want you to like see from my point of view. I know say you get your own point of view, but please just see from my own for a second and take me as your sister, take me as your daughter, take me as your daughter. Just feel my pain from women perspective. I beg you. This woman go report to the mother, say, see wetin your daughter tell me. If really say the woman accuse this man, say he dey cheat on her, before woman they accuse the husband, say you dey do something, no say she get proof, she gets evidence, she get things to show you say it really dey happen. Man wey not dey cheat on the wife, we get, God create us with this thing, even if we not see him. God, we get this gift, we get this thing inside us where we they know, say no, this our man, there is something going on. Not say because he just wants to suspect her, even if say you know they date, but he they do like who they date, and maybe he get female friend where they play, where it they abnormal, where not they play with your wife like that. We women they feel, and before any woman accuse you of something, no, say she they sense something. Let's assume Edo boy, Edo man, say you don't get another chick for outside. Is really it dey, don't get me wrong. But if you not look am, you not reason am, say na taboo, say in pollute the land, kill 3 people in cold blood. little children wey no commit any sin to just come this world. You no look and say you wan commit the worst abomination just because this woman talk am o. This woman say I wan do am because you dey do. You no come think and reason and say if you dey do, for example, I dey use opportunity to dey talk to all men because this one happen now. E no mean say e no go happen tomorrow. I just wan pass this message to our men to know say this thing is not fair. E just talk am, she never do am, she just talk am say since you no wan stop, I wan start to dey do, then you carry barrel shoot am. What, how you come feel say we women dey take am if we see una see another woman? If woman dey call una, we dey bed. If woman dey call una, you dey carry your phone run up and down. How una dey feel say we dey feel? How una dey reason and say we dey reason? Na make me do that my video say men please, you have a very big role to play. I never post that one. Maybe now this one I first post before that one because the thing is really getting out of hand. Why our parents come inside? Our parents come inside. You know, we women, we dey see things for our husband hand, especially when it comes to my royal land. My royal land, we believe in all these women dey endure. If your husband nail you for head, endure. If your husband bring woman come join you, endure. If your husband, excuse me, take the money wey you want to start market, he goes to use am for another woman, endure. If your husband not bring money take cook, now you know how you take the struggle take get the money. This thing dey make me dey emotional because it's getting out of hand. Any silly thing wey man do for my culture, woman endure. Nobody dey say oh man stop this thing. This thing don dey too go on. Now these women are our children. These women, this woman, you go still born woman tomorrow. How you go feel say that they do your pikin like this? No, my culture will say make we endure. With all due respect to all my Edo brothers and sisters, don't take it personal. We get tradition. I respect my tradition. I said it the other time, let's fix some broken things in our tradition if we want make unity and love come. If we want make that our land be paradise on earth, make we respect women. Make we start to see women as something. We go house the way our husband they treat us. We will tell our mother, we will tell our father that this man not they come home quick. This man they receive another woman call for where I did. This man see what they do me, they beat me. This man see what they do, not they bring money come and take cook. Some go even confide in their mama, say they go do what they're not supposed to do just to provide for the family. They will still tell this their mama, say mommy I want comot, I not fit again. Their mama will they say bear my pikin as in see where is zingbe way to zingbe now. Lead your own pikin. Which pikin you want born today where will come be like this pikin? Which pikin you want born tomorrow where will come be like this pikin? Mama, papa, listen to your children. Mona forget those parable when I say ajomo your word on I will not read. Make it if the man they maltreat am. Make it read. Mona give am room. Mona give am room. Make it not go die. If he down and lost big thing for my family. It who don't go. If who don't put the man for prison. Who don't die, don't die. You people should give us listening ear and listening to us. Maybe una fault una one or say wait una dey see we not dey see and we not understand. Now still una fault because una not make us understand life. Una not make us understand love. Una not make us feel that love. So anybody will tell us say I love you, we dey believe am. Because you mommy endure follow my papa, waiting my papa they do make me believe say that they endure. Then we tell you now say we not feel endure and you una say oh not they come from a world. Like not gonna listening to us what they talk to now. Our husband will cheat on us. Our husband will do something we're not supposed to do. We go quarrel put, we go vex with the con house, make we just get our pride. Una go drive us go back. Una go drive us go back. What if the crime will commit? You know how many children I don't lose because of this character, because of this gender war, because of say we just be women. The only crime we commit when we want use hair take your word or so, and because we be women. Mommy, daddy, it's high time una start to listen to us women. It's high time na start to dey believe us women. Before woman come house come tell you papa, tell you mama, say wetin this man dey do me, e too much. You know say she has had it up to here. I want more than it be. I want more than it be, because if he die, no matter how that pikin stubborn reach, you go feel am. The time we take care for that 9 months, you go feel am. You go feel am. Man carry gun enter room. The police, you know, I not just know wetin dey, I don't know wetin dey happen. For real, I don't understand. I don't understand. Now taboo say woman talk and come out for man say you not stop your infidelity. Man, I not gonna cut my tongue, because the thing is really, it dey make me the one like Chris. It just tell you, say if you do this thing, say if you not stop this thing, she will still start. It provoke you. It provoke you just because she talk am or she not do am. It provoke you, you carry gun come out. Fire am with children. And you still they talk like this. You still they talk like this, like, are we really serious? Are we really serious? Person wey talk am for maths, or person wey do am with her body, and person wey kill people with 3 in cold blood, which one worse pass? Which one do abomination? Which one do taboo now? Which one do taboo? Why my Edo people not dey protest, say this one a taboo, this one a abomination for the land? Why? Why we not dey condemn this thing now? Why protest never dey? Edo state na for happen. Then somebody will talk, say there are some things we need to change in our culture, in our tradition. You are angry about it. Somebody will talk, say woman and man suppose love themselves equally, make this world gender die. You say no, it's not in our tradition, but to keep people in cold blood is in our tradition. Why you know they speak up now? Why you know they talk now? Why? You wear so much no tradition. Why? And women, I beg una, I don't fit do video about this thing. Nobody they change. Nobody they change. When man they hit you, get him for back of your mind. One day he will provoke to that extent to shoot you. Who they alive better pass who die. Who they cry better pass who they laugh, better pass who they cry. Everybody they shout now. Oh, this woman. Oh, this man to do. Oh, this man to. Everybody they cry now, but it's too late. It's too late when the head is off. It's too late. Papa, mama, I beg una, make una they give us listening ear. Make una they let us they tell una the kind suffer what they suffer for husband house. Our husband no will let us check their phone. We go check the ordinary phone now we check. Oh, it go cause problem. It go beat us. Put we can't tell una what be our parents. Una they complain. They tell us what it concern us concern our husband phone. Mama, papa, this one our husband. Make una not be the way we una take marry una husband. Una not the suffer we una suffer. Mona not let that thing repeat for una pikin body. Mona try understand from this una daughter angle when the una daughter they talk to una. If your daughter say you don't want to go that husband house again, try to understand her and don't send her to her early grave. Not send her go her early grave. Before woman come dey complain her husband to you, mama, papa, no say wetin she dey see, no be all she fit tell you. No dey push am go back. Some of our parents go just know. We see our husband with man, maybe we come dey quarrel with her now, no dey talk to her again. Our parents go say make we kneel down, they beg our husband on top, he cheat on us. Say na tradition. Do we really think about what we are doing to ourselves? Do we really think for the next generation we are leaving behind? Now this kind of life we want to live for the next generation. My husband cheats on me. I quarrel. I talk say no, this thing I will not accept it. In fact it's impossible. I not go fit accept am. I dey vex for my own rights. Then this man go report me to the family, or my mama, my papa just mistakenly or just enter just come home like that when they quarrel, then I can't explain say see wetin happen. My parents go now dey tell me say because I be woman I no get right to go look my husband phone, I no get right to look my fiancé phone. Say that kind person no dey like, you know, they want better home for ourselves. Do you listen to what our parents tells us? Mama, papa, mona change. As life they change, mona change. Wetin I believe by ojaniye ovinerio, suffer when I suffer, my pikin no go suffer. And wetin me I understand by that word now, the suffer when I suffer, the things when I bear, when I not supposed to bear, the time and years when I waste with one man when not love una, now be what una supposed to teach una children, so that make una children not do that kind of thing. Not be say suffer when I suffer, my pikin no go suffer and say na money they use and tell me. I don't believe say na money they use and tell me. You don't need to drop or leave too much money for your children, because if they get that belief, say their papa their mama get, they cannot work hard. They use eye they look say their papa their mama don't do for them. Now be the mistake where they make, where they worry our first son. Nobody, no juju, they worry our first son. They get that for their mind. They've worked with it since small pikin. Say no, their papa and their mama don't live 6 room, don't live 2-bedroom flat for them, so they don't need to work. And they go they very very brilliant. That idea don't bring our firstborn calm down like that, because they believe say no, why they will work. Mama and papa, una dey do some things wey not right, wey una need to change from. Una dey do some things wey not right, papa, mama. I'm sick and tired to dey hear this kind of story. I'm sick and tired for our parents to dey use one phrase for since 300 years. Say woman not get a house for a papa house once he don't marry. Una they sell us, una they drive us out. Anything we see for the husband house wey not good, wey that kind of character, maybe we not first see am. We can't say now when person marry, now they truly know who you marry for that those states. For my state, now when you marry somebody, they really know you marry. When they date, all of them they pretend they know they form fake love. And we women they like take shit because our friend marry, we want marry. See what is the result of. We know they take time to like say there is boundary day. They know they get time to take talk, say this thing you need to stop here. You feel say when you marry and will change, it can never change. When it not change, when you the shaka, how you feel say you can't change when you and I don't be brothers and sisters. I don't just know how to say it. All I'm saying, my brother, my sister out there, don't take it personal. It's high time we talk to our parents. It's high time they're listening to us. Because this man go fair report to this my brother, this my brother-in-law. You go report to the girl mama. I believe say the mama will tell us say Zimbabwe, that's Zingbo word. See what is Zingbe pass. 2 grandchildren. Like this one not fair. It not fair. Make una they listen to us when they tell una something. No say our enemy one die. Our husband go offend us. Our husband go do something when I know so it not good. Una about ourselves no say it not good. I know say it not good na man. That man don't spoil many things, papa, mama. That man and man don't spoil many things. When they make women, they keep too much things for belly. Where we know they even they feel open up to una because we know say na one story una one they tell us. If your pikin no fit be your best friend, your pikin no fit open up for you, your pikin no fit just like talk to you, may give am good advice from your experience. Mama abeg change. Papa abeg change, because we dey suffer for husband house. Our husband they take this advantage, say man and man, take they maltreat us. I beg you, papa, mama, this thing don't they too go on. Children, they suffer this thing, especially we women. Papa, mama, see, I stand as your daughter, where they can't report to you, where they can't tell you, say, see. Therefore, don't come out now because of una fear, and I make them not come out. For real, now there you foresee some people, they'll run, leave Peking, come abroad. Because nobody wants to listen to them. Nobody cares. Sometimes you not just want advice, you just want somebody to just listen to you for once. We not get them. Edo women, we don't have it. We not get who they listen to us. We not get who they talk to. Talk to your friend, he go use and mock you. If you not hear them for social media, you go hear them for another place where you not even want me to hear your story. You no fit talk to your own mother wey you trust, wey go fit keep that your shame. You no fit talk to your children because they are too young to understand. You go just take this your bubble, nobody to talk to. Nobody to talk to. The person go dey frustrated. Marriage na something wey be say you go just see, just dey happy, just dey glitter. No be as my idol dey make our women dey feel. I beg you, my men, I beg you, my brothers, I beg you, my prince, I beg you, my kings, make una beg. Make una drop this pain from us. This burden too much for us. When we tell una say this thing no good, it dey hurt us. Make una feel am, make una feel our pain. Make una feel am when una see us with another woman. Maybe this woman just with another man. Make una feel the pain for una self as it dey be. Make una see una say still dey be to us. This woman, maybe she just by talk am. Sometimes you go by talk something like that to just like make the man still like shake body, slow down for something small. Because police, according to police say he was drunk. Where the wetin that they call am? Where the proof? Where the test won't undo? Where the evidence? Where you they show the public say he really drink? Who drink know where he put gun? Who drink know how to crack gun? Who drink know how to shoot your own wife? When you know say dey with your kids, now you dey say, oh, where will I start from? No sign of. Okay, more assume say something dey happen, say person use am, person use. When your eye don't clear, you go dey shock. You go dey shock. Your enemy go gaga. Your enemy go like dey craze. You dey there they say, where you want for start again? Where you want for start again for your children? But now somebody now born that your wife. Now somebody you live with that pain. With that pain, she will take and go grave. That her mother, she carried that child for good 9 months. You kill her. That wasn't enough. You killed her grandkids. Look the pain where this man caused for this woman body. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, when you don't done with somebody, you know say this person, you not fit cope with her again. Leave what your parents they talk. Enough is enough, and take a bold step. Leave what your parents they talk, because this thing don't too much. It don't to go on for years. Where some women don't waste their life for one husband house where not send them. For one husband house where they choose for them because they feel say better thing on the outside again. And we women, make we abeg, more look who we they end up with. More look who they end up with, because we they put ourselves in one kind of position where we say we go they fear to go out with another person just because of what we choose for ourselves. When we know say this person is not working again, how you want to come out will be problem, except say you come out for the country. What do you they choose for yourself? What do you really want for yourself? Now that kind of life, everybody wants to be happy. Choose wisely. Choose wisely. When they say men, no, they may fool everywhere. The golden ones, the nice ones, they hide because vampire women too many for outside. When you have spiritual eyes, when you have eyes for good things, when you know what you truly want, you will fish them out from their hiding place. Men we go worship you, we go know your value. Men we go know the importance of you. Man we go know say you really deserve this crown where you carry as a lady. They for real, they are hiding. We men not they not be now marriage many pass. The time where the men, the marriage not many like that. Use common sense. Use common sense, my ladies. When man they prove say he not love you, leave before he leads to say you want that. Before he leads, oh my God, my ladies, I beg you all. You people should try to understand this thing. This thing don't need to go on. Just feel for that mother. Just feel for that woman who give birth to that mother. No mother, no parents they pray. Make the first bury pikin before her. He don't finish he run. That is intentionally doing the drink clear. Like, make we abeg, make we abeg, make we abeg. Men, I beg una. I use God, or in fact anything una believe, I use them. Say beg una. See, make I put the video of the people in the area as they say they heartbroken. Make I show una the way people say they like. Oh God.
endless flow of tears as shocked sympathizers and family members gathered at the scene of the incident along Madandeta Road by Wando Filling Station of Yogi. Bloodstains of the victims were visible on the bed where the deceased wife and children were sleeping before they were allegedly shot by the assailant whose name was given as Owaila Idehe. Some persons in the area said they were shocked when they heard gunshots from the house, only to discover that the assailant had shot his wife and 2 children said to be aged 2 and 4. They wondered what could have been the motive behind the killing of the woman and her 2 children, as it was gathered that the assailant had concluded plans for the birthday ceremony of one of the children before this twist of fate.
Call us see my junior brother, he's got the key. But I was taking a brother and the 4 rush gone. Again, I will not see the 2 picking of this with the wife, see wife for ground. You not see 2 children, say carry the come out. Let's see, because she don't die. I'll take up police and if you can carry the cause come out. And for the ST, so I do better, I do better for children. So we are called, I'm surprised.
Men of the Federal Road Safety Commission were on the ground to evacuate the bodies of the deceased woman and her 2 sons.
This one a height of abomination. Height of abomination. I beg una, my brothers and sisters, make una let person do wetin dey in mind. Wetin dey lead to woman go dey flirt or woman come dey talk this thing, na because she dey cage. She feel say she dey cage. She not get anybody to talk to. She's locked in a bubble. She's locked in a bubble. Make una beg. Make una beg, my African men. Enough. Enough. Marry person where you love, where you see say you know go fit see say on that person they exist. I beg you, my brothers and sisters. Women, they very, that is women. They cry. Leave the packaging. Leave everybody they form happiness for social media. Leave everybody they form na my home better pass. Na lie. Na lie. The ones where they for happy marriage for real. E not reach 30%. We really they happy. We really marry waiting they want. We really they like, man, see your husband and see your wife and just feel you are now. In fact, now let you they exist. E not reach 30%. If we say more tell ourselves the truth. Nowadays, my beautiful ladies, they marry because Ivy marry. As they tell wrong enter, and so they tell the wrong comments. I beg you, my ladies, not do something because people they do. Not do something because people they do, because see what in they lead to, see what in they cause. This one not be jealousy. This one are wickedness. This one a height of wickedness. No remorse, nothing. The people where they your area feel the pain pass you. Where get wife and the kiss where you key in cold blood. So my main message na papa mama, I beg una, make una give us una daughter listening ear. Make we tell una things. Make we tell una wetin we dey be, so that make una use una own experience. Experience is the best teacher. Use your experience. Stay coach us. Stay tell us. Stay see. Are your own not say work or I say work? Are you say go about them? See the way you say go about them. Where you know say not good. Talk to your daughter. Let your daughter be your best friend. I beg you. I beg you, mama. Especially mama. I beg you. The suffer where you suffer. Not let your pikin suffer, and with wisdom. Give her the wisdom where you get from husband house. Not be the baba things. Give her waiting will fix her life. Let her be your second. Make the correction for your pikin life. Make the correction for your pikin life. I remember that time my grandmother will tell me, say my ex and me, she go say we just dey play. That is what she always tell me, because mothers, they see wetin children they go after. They understand, because they don't fit pass that stream. They don't pass our age. Not be say because of say that they get brain. No, they've passed that age. They know that age. I tell the sharp person, that age where you did, they know I be. They know what they do, because they are you. Their blood they inside you. Say they know what you are going through. They know you. They know how you want to react, because the same heart now and they beats. when something happen, mothers dey quick feel am because na she carry this pikin for 9 months. She dey feel am more. So mothers dey know. Na im go make our mothers give us good experience, good wisdom to take go about. My grandmom go tell me that time say me and this person just dey play. Me go dey feel say my grandmama no know wetin be love. I no know say she just know. She told me. You see, all these things wey men dey do, e dey pain us because we no dey talk. No mean say we no dey feel the pain. We dey feel the pain. I remember that time my ex, he go come. My ex go come. He go carry different women, different shape, different this, different that. Like I was fed up. The time when me come dey feel say na me be the Ijowa, in dey forbid to do it all wow. Me come dey like tell am say this thing too much. Na maybe the zombie where they come, where they can't pass. You know those ones where they can't pass. Now those ones that they keep aside say now this one now go be my own because they know say na you sabi collect shit. When me go come dey talk that time, I'll tell am say if peradventure me and you marry tomorrow, if you cheat, get on for back of your mind say me go still cheat. So that make you know I take the pain. He go tell me that time say, where go what though? He go say with this my talk and this my belief, no man will put me for house. But today uncle, I see man will put me for house with my condition. Because I don't like him. I no fit. I don't get that mind to take carry that 1,000 kilo. E no dey, my heart no get, e no strong like that for those kind love aspects. I no fit. So we ladies should know what we want. We ladies should know when man they cheat well, not believe say if you marry and say it will change. No, say you've taken the decision to just eat paracetamol till you die. Believe so. When you want good men dey. Change your own self. See who you be, they make you attract people wey be like you. When you be the type where they lie, now liars you go jam. When you be the type where they very nice and sweet, you dey mingle with people wey get bad energy. Now those bad energy men or women go they come around you, you go they wonder why I know they get luck. Now the people where they live around you energy, they push bad people to you. You change your way. Change yourself. Change who you be. Don't tell me say, oh God, just bless me. Let me see it in you. Let me see it in the way you behave. Let me see it in the way you talk. Let me see it in your life. Don't tell me you be honorable. Let me see am for your body. Say you honor. Say you be honorable. I don't know whether you understand. When you need good people, even though na €2 you get, even though na 50 cents you get, just at least go out on your own. Go sit down for the sell ice cream. Buy, sit down, do your thing. Lick your ice cream, go. Believe me, you, all those golden fishing eyes where they around, they watch you, they read you, they calculate you, they see your behavior, they see how you're different from other people. Those golden fish will come out and fish you out from those nyaga. People wey really want good thing, people wey really know love, people wey go die for you, they are hiding. They look for the nice ones, just they watch. I believe that this life na game, like what will they play? When you know how to calculate your life, when you know what you want, see, you will get what you really want. When you they put on clothes wey not be your own, see, you will get those kind fake people as well. I don't see people wey be say, you na the type wey be hey, me na that type. I dey very, very socialized. Now my kind of person be that. But because you see say me dey show I dey show the kind of person wey I be. If I go birthday party, if I go anywhere, you must know say I did there because I don't get anything to live for house. I need to like say na me be this. Now so I just reach. I don't remain for house. You understand? But I get friends then when they feel say, this girl, because the mama na native daughter, everybody just the pack follow her. Now she not fine, now she that they follow. No, because I be my real self. People get, even if we the form we not get spiritual eyes. We get spiritual eyes. We dey see something inside somebody before we go for the person. It's either you see the negative energy or you see the positive energy. There is always something that attracts you to somebody. There is always something. So my friends go dey feel say maybe because im mama na native doctor, na im cause am, na im make men dey always follow am. No be say they follow am tey o, because I was living in the circle of bad energy. Now those energy I dey attract. Those energy na I dey attract. So involve yourself with good energy. Go out, take yourself out. Let the golden ones, let the nice ones, well, let the loving angels come fetch you out. You go surprise. Person will come meet you, will tell you, say, he has been watching you for good 2 years. He has been watching you, or she has been watching you for 5 good years. Without you not just know. You not go know. For that 5 years, it go read you say, if you not change for 1 year, what's it want to make you change again? Then it will come with a resolve because he has been watching you. She has been watching you. So we will stop to the like one mingle. No, they stop to the like one just belong. Belonging will change the real you. Makeup good, but some people they use makeup. They cover their real self. They bring artificial out. The real you, na God create for your husband. We pack too much makeup for face. How we want make our fan, make our husband to recognize us. We dey put on another person body on top the one with God, where we say, oh, we love God, we appreciate God. But what He give you, do you appreciate it that much? You appreciate Him like that? Wetin He say bless you? If you say you dey appreciate God, if you say you dey appreciate wetin He really give you, you dey really appreciate your body, you dey like live your body as e be. I no dey against makeup, don't get me wrong. I just try to make points. Some friends go wan copy you, wan do wetin you dey do, make they like see whether their guy will like am. Some friends go see say maybe you na the type wey be say you just sit down for chair, just dey watch film, or you dey sew cloth, or you dey do something. Your guy will go bring food come for you, your guy dey cook for you, your guy dey wash your clothes. So maybe something happen and you dey take the upper lead. She no know the kind love una get. She no understand. She no know wetin be love. She go comot one copy the way that your friend. You go comot one copy the way that your friend take dey behave, one behavior to your boyfriend. It won't work because that your boyfriend different from that your girlfriend guy. Now wetin some people never know. Some people they like copy wetin their friend they do. They like copy their friend's character. You no fit copy my character to become yours because my character only works for my man. Now so God take designer, your character should be good enough to make your husband calm. If you not the type where cool, first look for who you be. First find who you be. Some people don't know who they be. First know who you be. When you know who you be, you will know who you want. You no fit use my own character to go want make your wife be like that. Your wife not be me. Maybe your wife not the one where be say not like vulgar word. Maybe me not just the type where you say go. It won't work. If you not the type where be like that, look for the golden ones too. Where still be like that. Angels they where they borrow. Angels they where come. Angels they where be thunder. Angels they. So different person, different wife. Know wetin you want. Don't try to change people. My brothers and sisters, I hope you don't take this video personal. I hope you just see reason with me. I hope we women stand up and talk to our parents, especially my African sisters, especially my Edo sisters, where they go through things for their husband house. Change your tune when they talk to your parents. Change the tune. Tune really matters. When they don't understand you, try do another thing where you know they do, where you will make them understand. When you see they do back, and now they train you, they know your character, and they don't know say not be character what we get for house, not who they possess to our men. e get wetin dem dey do for house wey dey provoke us, wey dey bring out beast wey dey inside us. Our boyfriend no be like that. The other way wey our boyfriend still dey bring that beast, na still another way entirely. These are two different people. Na wetin our parents never still understand. When we come dey talk to our parents, say see, our parents say iye we na iye we gbe balo we gbe, body too dey pepper you, na cause all these things. Mama papa no be true. As body take dey pepper us, believe me you mama papa, when we reach where our boyfriend dey, when we reach where our girlfriend dey, when we reach where our husband or our wife dey, we no dey do like that. Now we can pass mama and papa. So more than lis ten to us when we dey tell una say see wetin happen, more than not judge us by wetin una know, wanna take train us. Not be so we be when e reach relationship matter, not be so we be when e reach love matter. So mama papa, understand your children. When you're especially female, it dey happen to me. Listen to the both. Listen to the both. When your pikin come tell you something, because we dey talk say e no good to go dey talk to our parents when our husband do something. Wetin I no like na when the boy dey call the woman parents, or when the girl dey call the woman parents. No, I no like am like that. Make e be say na you call your mama, explain to your mama. Make our mama be that mother enough, or our papa be that father enough to use their own experience, because they don mature now. They know wetin dem go through. They know wetin dem go through. So make una use una experience, una own experience, take advise them now to bring them together, to tell the man where for wrong, tell the woman where for wrong. Not just say, man I wan see you privately, woman I wan see you privately, one get man talk. Papa, man talk not dey when it comes to husband and wife issue. Man talk not dey, because any man talk wey dey na man talk of dey do and hide, not let my daughter know. E no good. You know they give your daughter joy. Tell the man say you don't do and no gain. Tell am the defect wey e dey, the side infection. Tell am the repercussion wey e dey. Na that one our husband need to hear. Not be so na one get man and man talk papa. You dey give that your daughter heart attack. You dey break your daughter heart. This your daughter suppose be your joy. When your daughter heart dey break papa, your heart is breaking. When your daughter heart dey break mama, your heart is breaking. So make una use una own experience take coach this young couple to make them know what to do and what not to do. When it's not working, make una accept una daughter as e be. Everybody is bound to make mistake. We all are humans. Mistake dey there. Everybody dey make mistake dey there for us to learn from. When you not make mistake, you can never learn. So wanna give them the benefit of the doubt, not to make the same mistake again, by guiding them with your idea, with your advice, not to just kick them out. Not to just kick them out. I beg you, my brother, my daddy, I beg you, my mommy, make una beg, make una help us. Make una help us with that more than make una beg. Make una beg, make una just, because of our suffering, use this girl situation, papa mama, make una look this girl for face. She is too loving. She not deserve to she not deserve to just die untimely death like this. I beg you, papa and mama, I beg you, auntie and uncle, not take am personal. I just want us to make our Edo great. I just want us to make Edo the sweetest amongst many. I beg you, I beg you, I beg you to please understand some of that good side in you to see reasons with me. I love you. Till I come your way next time. If this is your first time of passing by, please subscribe, follow me up on my Facebook page, Sophie Universe. Love you in the name of love, and you know that. Don't get it twisted.